Over the last lectures, we learned how to output content conditionally, and that we simply take advantage of the fact that everything is JavaScript. Now I want to render my list of persons. Thus far, we're not really doing this in a dynamic way. We have a couple of persons here in our state, and this should be our single source of truth. This should be our data source. In bigger applications, in real applications, this might be populated from data or with data you fetch from a server. So here we got an array of persons, but in the JSX we return, here in our conditional now, we simply hard-coded 3 persons and manually assigned the data to the different persons in our array. This of course is super inflexible. If we ever change something, if we add a new person or remove one, this will basically break, and we can't even address a specific person when updating it like we do here with the click or the changed handler. This is all not really working in the way it should work. So let's learn how we can output lists of data, arrays basically, and how we can also then interact with them, update them, and correctly change arrays in our state. We'll focus on all these things over the next lectures.